see something that we want to buy, but we stop ourselves by checking the price tag and think, why can't we make that at home?
So we are actually going to make it today. So I have picked up an interesting DIY just for you guys. This will work for a cool room decor idea. So just get ready. Today we are making amazing cloud night view. Watch till the end to see how it's turned out.
So let's start it with some of the more obvious supplies like cardboard, Fevicol, Scissor, bulb and holder, and lastly wire. Now take a hard cardboard. Here I have taken a 4 cardboard pieces and draw a cloud image over it and cut it in a cloud shape with the help of cutter. You can select your choice of design for this DIY. Here our 4 cloud shapes cuttings are ready. Now paste it with each other by using a Fevicol to make a strong base. Just make sure you are using a hard cardboard for this DIY. Wait for few minutes to completely dry out. Now make sure the light is coming out of the cloud, and to give a real look of cloud, I am making here some random curve shape over it and will cut it out with the help of cutter. I am cutting random curve shapes only on one cardboard, which will be used as a front side of our DIY. Our back side will be a plain cloud shape. Here our two shapes are ready, which will be used as a front and back side of our DIY. Now I am cutting around 25 to 30 cardboard strips of size 6 by 2 cm, which I am going to stick between our front and back shapes. Now the interesting thing is I am sticking the strips one at outer edge of the cloud and next one at some distance and little bit inside from first one, so the bulb rays will be passed between these two strips. Do the same process and paste the strips all edges of the cloud shape like I am doing here. Leave some space at bottom center side from where our bulb will be placed. Make a small bulb holder, and before sticking the bulb, we will adjust the bulb and fix the position from where bulb rays coming out properly. Here I am fixing the bulb bottom side where I am getting a proper rays coming out. Now I am fixing the bulb with the help of Fevicol and glue gun. Here our 90% DIY is ready. We just need to stick our front shape over the strips by using a Fevicol. Now with the sharp object, make a hole on the backside of the cloud to hang it on a wall. Here our DIY is ready, just we need to plug in and switch on the bulb. Wow, just look at this, how it's turned out. It's exactly looking like we have seen online. And we have made this in no cost.
Share your thoughts in the comment box. If you like my video, give thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye. Take care.